Hello, students. Let's read letter I as a beginning sound. Listen carefully and repeat. I as a beginning sound. Iron, ink, ice, injection, igloo, read, in, insect, image, index, island, important, injection, ice cream. Happy learning!